External monitors, portable monitors. They're great and commonly used. But when disconnected, they're powerless, quite literally. Then we thought, wouldn't it be great if they worked like a tablet computer when used alone? So we went ahead and made one ourselves. Introducing to you, Phoenix Note. Phoenix Note combines the best features of a tablet computer, external monitor, and drawing tablet. Think of it as a touchable portable monitor with a stylus, and that works like a regular tablet computer. This means you can flip open work easily, anywhere, anytime. Phoenix Note uses a simple C-type charger. But thanks to its long-lasting battery, you can use it for hours on end, unplugged. It creates a productive work environment, regardless of time and space. It also boasts a 15.6-inch ultra-wide and full HD resolution screen that has not been seen before in conventional tablets. This means wider, clearer, better. And it's built with 10-point multi-touch capacity, so you can multitask to your heart's content. Plus, the convenience of USB-C type port gives you the flexibility for all types of extensions. It's perfect for all you remote workers, designers, coders, gamers, and digital nomads who live off a tablet but also crave the productivity of a second monitor. Sharing a presentation becomes extremely easy. Keep things professional and simple without the unnecessary wires. All the while keeping your smart devices fully charged. If you're a Samsung smartphone user, just turn Phoenix Note into a true laptop with Samsung DeX. Phoenix Note is also useful when you want to relax. Watch Netflix or YouTube in full HD screen. Or plug and play on Phoenix Note's widescreen by connecting game consoles like Nintendo Switch. We designed Phoenix Note to blur the boundaries of our existing tech. It's about time we had a tablet that encompasses all our needs for work, play, and everything in between. Let's break the mold. Phoenix Note.
Last year, we launched the world's most funded blood pressure smartwatch, and it's been widely praised by users worldwide. Now, we introduce BP Dr. Med, the world's first medical-grade blood pressure smartwatch. Successfully passed the FDA and CE medical standard tests, it is the ultimate choice for personal BP monitoring and family healthcare. As a daily wearable, BP Dr. Med constantly monitors your body's status and provides comprehensive insights into your health. Smartly stylish with 2 color options to match all occasions and outfits, put it on and take your wrist doctor everywhere you go. Unlike other health smartwatches, BP Dr. Med features patented dual inflatable air cuffs and miniaturized components for more accurate oscillometric measurement of blood pressure in real time. It also tracks blood pressure fluctuations to monitor changes throughout your daily activities. Along with blood pressure monitoring, the watch also tracks and charts activity indicators, including calories burned for a comprehensive analysis of your daily activities. All collected data is synced in-app and can be shared with your family, which means you can check a family member's physical condition remotely and take necessary actions in case of any emergency. Features like push notifications, call alerts, and reminders keep you updated with all the important info for a more efficient lifestyle. Put a personal medical consultant on your wrist and let BP Dr. Med bring better care to you and your family.
What caught my attention to the smart lock is the versatility it has. With built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a door sensor, this lock really has it all. One of the things I wanted for me and my family was the freedom of not having to carry keys. We've spent a lot of money in lost keys and locksmith visits, and now we can just unlock it with our fingerprint. We also have the flexibility to use a code, which we like because we can input random numbers in case there are strangers nearby. And if we don't want to use either of these two, we can unlock it with the app. There are two features that are my favorite and great for peace of mind. First, the smart auto lock that works with the door sensor. So the U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi will lock only if the door is closed. And if someone leaves the door open, I will get a notification on my phone. The second one is the auto unlock. That comes pretty handy when I come home from the supermarket with my hands full of groceries. One other feature that I love is the built-in Wi-Fi, because it allows me to control the lock from anywhere without any extra hubs. If I have an electrician or handyman coming, I can schedule specific codes for days and times I want with the app. And installation was a breeze. In about 15 minutes, everything was up and running. If this was not enough, the Alexa integration is awesome. I can check from the comfort of my bed and know if the door is locked. Alexa, is the front door locked?
The front door is unlocked.
Battery life is also great. I get low battery notifications, and if the battery dies, I can use a power bank or a regular key. The U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi has made our lives easier and has given us peace of mind. It was a great decision to upgrade from our